OCO everyone, it's Philip Croce with iamCREATURescience at iamCREATURescience.com. iamCREATURescience is now partnered with Chef Kai, cuisine extraordinaire of KT Foodies, to be the expert and guide you in the kitchen with meal preparation throughout your respective health journeys. Never let the unknown or lack of competency hinder you from healing your best self and discovering the innate creature in you again.
Hi everybody, this is Chef Kai from KT Foodies and I am here with iamCREATURescience, and today we are going to be learning how to pan-sear tilapia. This also goes well with you can pan-sear salmon as well as any other kind of fish. So the first thing I have my tilapia and my seasonings. The seasonings I'm working with today is going to be salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some cayenne pepper. My first thing is go ahead and get these close to my vision. I want to season this first. My tilapia is already pretty dry. It's slightly wet, which is good so it can stick the seasonings onto it. And I'm going to not use too much salt because it's seafood again and we don't want to overpower it to make it salty. Just a nice drizzle to work well. My pepper. And also, if you want to use white pepper, just so you don't have the pepper flakes showing, that's perfectly fine. The salt and pepper is the perfect balance, so make sure you have some pepper. Cayenne pepper seasoning is a little on the salty side as well, so you want to be cautious that you're not putting too much cayenne where your tilapia is going to become salty. Alright, now that I seasoned the first half, I'm going to go ahead and flip my tilapia. I can do the second. And here, you can see that I touched the tilapia as well as the seasonings and I flipped it. So I will no longer be using the seasonings again because then that would be cross-contamination. Be careful doing that. So once I season my tilapia, it's 75% done. The next thing we're going to be doing is showing you how to pan-sear it. So let's go ahead and walk over to the black top and show you. Okay, so now we're here at the black top and we're going to have our skillet, our fish of course, which is tilapia, and some oil. You can also use butter, vegan butter as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my fire on, medium to high heat. I'm going to go ahead and add my oil. Push it around, of course. Cover the bottom of the pan. And since we seasoned our tilapia already, all we're going to do is we're just waiting for our oil to heat up. And you want to get the oil to be heated at a pretty hot consistency because you don't want it to be too warm. Once it's warm, it's not going to give it that nice and kind of good browning color for your tilapia. Just wait a couple minutes, get it hot. Tilapia doesn't take long to cook. This is something that's very quick and easy. So on your Thursday creative day, you definitely, if you don't have time to make some sushi with your family that night, you can go ahead and whip up some tilapia. It's still fun, still creative with the seasonings, and it gets the job done. All right, that warmed up pretty fast. My next thing is I'm going to go ahead and add my fish. If you hear that sizzle, that's how you know your temperature is at a pretty good temp. tilapia is going to change in its color. It's going to become more of a solid white color. I'll probably leave this on for about 2 minutes and then flip the side. You also see like right here how the bottom of it is becoming white. Okay, so this has been about cooking for about 2 minutes, 1.5. So let's go ahead and flip it. Be careful that you don't put, there we go. Oh yeah, you see that? Nice golden color. That's what we're looking for. There we go. Again, tilapia is very simple. It's kind of like easy as shrimp. You season it how you want to season it. It cooks 1, 2, 3, and you get the job done. Again, you can see how on the side it's becoming white. You see it's a little grayish right here. That's how you know that it's not fully cooked. I wouldn't eat tilapia medium rare. I like the best way to eat it is well done as well. Cook this for another 1.5 minutes and it should be ready to go. Alright, so now it's been about 2 minutes on this side. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat off. Oh yeah. It's firm, it's golden brown, and it's fully white from the inside of it. I'm going to go ahead and lift my spatula up and kind of do this little wave motion to get the excess oil off of it. Wait. Here we have tilapia.